How to make money with cryptocurrency. Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide on how to make money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that is designed to work as a medium of exchange and has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its potential to make money. In this video, we will be discussing some simple steps that you can take to start earning money with cryptocurrency. Part 1. Understanding cryptocurrency. The first step in making money with cryptocurrency is to understand what it is and how it works. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and to control the creation of new units. It operates independently of a central bank and can be used to buy goods and services, invest in other assets, or trade for other cryptocurrencies. There are many different cryptocurrencies available, each with its own unique characteristics and potential for investment. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Each cryptocurrency has its own blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all transactions and is managed by a network of computers. It is important to do your research and understand the potential risks and rewards associated with investing in different cryptocurrencies. Some cryptocurrencies are more established and have a larger user base, while others are newer and carry more risk. Part 2. Buying cryptocurrency. The second step in making money with cryptocurrency is to buy some. You can purchase cryptocurrency on a cryptocurrency exchange, which is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There are many different cryptocurrency exchanges available, each with its own fees, user interface, and supported cryptocurrencies. To get started, you will need to sign up for an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. You will typically need to provide some personal information and may need to verify your identity. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds into your account using a bank transfer or credit card. Once you have funds in your account, you can buy cryptocurrency. To do this, you will need to select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and the amount you want to spend. You will then need to confirm the transaction and wait for the cryptocurrency to be deposited into your account. It is important to carefully consider the fees associated with buying cryptocurrency on a particular exchange. Fees can vary widely between exchanges and can impact your overall investment returns. Part 3. Holding cryptocurrency. The third step in making money with cryptocurrency is to hold on to it. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and can experience significant price swings in a short period of time. By holding on to your cryptocurrency, you can potentially benefit from price increases over time. However, holding cryptocurrency also carries some risk. Cryptocurrencies can also experience significant price drops, and it is possible to lose money if you hold on to your cryptocurrency during a downturn in the market. It is important to carefully consider your investment strategy and risk tolerance when deciding whether to hold on to your cryptocurrency or sell it for a profit. Part 4. Trading cryptocurrency. The fourth step in making money with cryptocurrency is to trade it. Trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrency in an attempt to profit from short-term price movements. There are many different trading strategies that you can use when trading cryptocurrency, including technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. Each strategy involves analyzing different types of data and using that information to make trading decisions. Trading cryptocurrency can be highly profitable, but it also carries a significant amount of risk. It is important to carefully consider your risk tolerance and investment strategy before getting involved in cryptocurrency trading. Part 5. Mining cryptocurrency. The fifth step in making money with cryptocurrency is to mine it. Mining involves using your computer's processing power to solve complex mathematical equations, which are used to verify transactions on the blockchain and to generate new units of cryptocurrency. Mining can be a profitable way to earn cryptocurrency, but it requires a significant investment in hardware and electricity costs. You will also need to have a good understanding of the technical aspects of cryptocurrency mining. There are many different cryptocurrencies that can be mined, each with its own set of requirements and potential rewards. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies for mining include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Part 6. Staking cryptocurrency. Another way to make money with cryptocurrency is by staking it. Staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet that supports staking, which helps to secure the network and verify transactions. In exchange for staking your cryptocurrency, you can earn rewards in the form of additional units of cryptocurrency. The rewards you can earn will vary depending on the cryptocurrency you stake and the length of time you stake it for. Staking is generally considered to be a low-risk way of earning cryptocurrency, as it does not involve actively trading or mining cryptocurrency. However, it does require a significant initial investment in the cryptocurrency you plan to stake. Part 7. Diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio. When it comes to making money with cryptocurrency, it is important to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in multiple cryptocurrencies as well as other types of assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification helps to spread out your investment risk and can help to protect your portfolio against downturns in the market. By investing in a variety of assets, you can potentially earn a more stable return on your investment over the long term. Part 8. Managing your risk. One of the most important aspects of making money with cryptocurrency is managing your risk. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and can experience significant price swings in a short period of time. This means that you need to be prepared to handle the potential risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency. Part 9. Following cryptocurrency news and trends. Staying up to date with the latest news and trends in cryptocurrency market can help you make informed investment decisions and potentially earn a higher return on your investment. Some sources to follow for cryptocurrency news and trends include crypto news websites such as CoinDesk, CryptoSlate, and Cointelegraph, social media platforms such as Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram, and podcasts and YouTube channels dedicated to cryptocurrency. Part 10. Using cryptocurrency trading bots. Cryptocurrency trading bots are automated software programs that can execute trades on your behalf. These bots can help you take advantage of market fluctuations and potentially earn a higher return on your investment. However, it is important to be cautious when using trading bots, as they can also carry significant risk. Some tips for using trading bots include doing your research and choosing a reputable bot, setting clear trading rules and limits, monitoring your bot's performance regularly. In conclusion, making money with cryptocurrency can be a profitable venture, but it requires a significant amount of research, investment, and risk management. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your cryptocurrency investment journey.